Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can listen to YouTube videos while you are driving. First thing, set it in drive and then select the three dots, and then you have browser, and then you can just go to YouTube.
Now, I don't know about you, but I've seen dozens of YouTubers talking about how YouTube is now on easy mode and that everybody should be starting a channel in 2025. So I wanted to create a video on this and talk about 5 reasons why potentially YouTube is on easy mode for some people, the reasons behind that, and obviously the things that are still going to be difficult for other people. So let's talk about point number 1, which is obviously the YouTube algorithm. Now, YouTube has created an entire dedicated team to helping small YouTubers grow on the platform. They want to make sure that new creators can grow faster than they
When you put your car in park, the video will continue go, but when you drive, the video will stand still and you can still listen to it. Okay, so that's how you can listen to a YouTube video while you are driving your Tesla.